Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NetDocuments for lawyers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have access to the NetDocuments website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NetDocuments login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the download section in the main menu. Click on the download link to find the installation files. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. For Windows, select the appropriate installer file, typically labeled Windows Installer. For Mac, choose the Click on the download link to initiate the downloading process. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the installer file and double-click it to start the installation. If a security warning appears, click Run or Yes to proceed. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to continue. You may be asked to accept the licensing agreement. Read it carefully and click Accept. Select the installation destination where you want Click Next to continue with the recommended settings. Choose whether you want to create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Once you have made your selections, click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments. When the installation is finished, click Finish to close the wizard. Now, reopen your web browser and return to the NetDocuments login page. Enter your credentials again to log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the Preferences section in your account settings. Check for any necessary configurations specific to your practice needs. If applicable, customize your settings according to your workflow preferences. You may want to integrate additional tools and features as needed. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Save. Finally, ensure that you stay updated on any new releases or updates from NetDocuments. You are now ready to use NetDocuments effectively for your legal practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.